Hi there. Let's see how to make green bean sabji. Ingredients required are 1 cup cut French beans, 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 slit green chilies, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, few cilantro for garnishing and taste, salt, 1 tablespoon oil and some water. Place a cooker on low to medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon oil, and when oil is slightly hot, add cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds start to sizzle, add cut tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes for 2 to 3 minutes or until they become soft. At this point, add slit green chilies, cut French beans, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and cook stirring them on low to medium heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 1/4 cup water, 3 teaspoons salt or as required. Mix them well, then close with a lid and cook them on medium heat for 1 whistle. Then turn off heat. After the pressure has settled down, open lid and the sabji is ready. Finally, garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Enjoy the sabji with hot steamed rice or rotis. Thanks so much for watching and see you soon with the next recipe. Bye bye.